If you're heading into the wild, whether it's a weekend camping trip, a multi-day hike, or serious survival training, having a reliable fire starter is absolutely essential. In 2025, the market has evolved to offer compact, durable, and all-weather fire-making tools that go far beyond your average lighter or matchbook. After carefully analyzing and selecting the most dependable products, I've narrowed it down to the top fire starter kits that every outdoor enthusiast, prepper, and adventurer should consider. Starting with the Weyland Fire Starting Kit, this is the ultimate package for anyone who wants a complete fire solution. It includes a durable magnesium and flint striker that can ignite fires even in harsh conditions like wind and rain. The inclusion of fatwood fire starter sticks makes kindling effortless, and the entire kit is compact, waterproof, and perfect for emergency kits, camping gear, or bug-out bags. It's truly a comprehensive solution for any survivalist. For those looking for innovation, the Prepared 4x Fire Starter Survival Tool is a game changer. This patented all-in-one system includes everything you need to light a fire instantly. A ferro rod, a curved striker that precisely directs sparks, a long-burning tinder wick, and even a built-in bellow. It's effective even when soaked, offering over 3 hours of continuous burn or thousands of strikes. Whether you're caught in a storm or deep in the backcountry, this tool is built to perform. Next is the Bcharya Ferro Rod Kit, which delivers unmatched value and longevity. It comes with 2 oversized ferro rods, each capable of over 20,000 strikes at 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit. The included 6-in-1 multi-tool striker functions as a scraper, map scale, wrench, and even a bottle opener. With wax-infused tinder tabs and ropes, this kit ensures you're always ready to spark a fire, no matter the weather or altitude. It's a rock-solid choice for both solo adventurers and group outings. If you want something simple yet highly effective, the VVAAGG Flint and Fire Starter Kit gets the job done without fuss. Featuring 5-inch magnesium and ferro rods and natural pine fire starters, it lights quickly and reliably, even in wet or humid environments. It's stored in a compact, waterproof drawstring bag, making it an excellent lightweight option for backpackers and minimalist campers alike. Now I have the Yeeseok Fire Starter Survival Kit stands out for its practicality and thoughtful design. It includes a thick ferro rod, a durable striker with multiple functions, and a wax-infused hemp wick that burns for up to 20 minutes. Perfect for igniting a campfire when kindling is scarce or damp. Everything fits neatly into a rugged outdoor bag with room for extra gear, making it a great addition to any survival loadout. For those looking for a premium, all-in-one fire starting solution, the Überleben Fire Kit is a standout in both craftsmanship and function. Housed in a sleek slider tin, this kit includes the brand's signature Hexo Ferro Rod, made from soft core ferrocerium, producing intense 5,500-degree Fahrenheit sparks in any condition. What makes it shine is the ergonomic ambi striker with a concave edge that maximizes spark direction, ensuring quick and efficient ignition. It also features a paraffin wax-infused tinder wick with a 1-hour burn time and a micro bellow for precision airflow when stoking flames. Add the laser-cut birchwood tinder teepee kindling, and you have a fire starting system engineered for both reliability and ease. Another excellent option is the Fostar Fire Starter Kit, which is all about no-nonsense performance. This kit includes 2 thick ferro rods paired with multi-purpose steel strikers, all optimized for effortless spark generation, even in rain, snow, or at high altitudes. Designed with user comfort in mind, the ergonomic handles are easy to grip, even when your fingers are cold or gloved. The rods themselves strike a perfect balance between softness and durability, ensuring a robust spark shower every time. At under 2 ounces in weight and just 4 inches in length, it's a featherlight, pocket-sized powerhouse. Complete with paracord lanyards, the Fostar kit is an excellent addition to any EDC survival pack or bug-out bag. Rounding out the list is the Yexati Flint and Steel Fire Starter Kit, a comprehensive and compact survival tool that packs serious utility. Its 4.5-inch ferrocerium rod is rated for over 20,000 strikes and comes with a durable, multifunctional 7-in-1 striker. The waxed hemp rope, highly resistant to wind and water, lights quickly and burns longer than standard tinder, ensuring ignition in the most challenging conditions. The kit also includes a built-in compass, aluminum storage capsule, and other practical survival features, all in a compact design weighing just 5.5 ounces. In summary, these fire starters represent the best of what 2025 has to offer. Whether you're focused on functionality, durability, or all-in-one convenience, there's a fire starter here that meets your needs. From the innovation of the Prepared 4X to the versatility of the Weyland kit, these tools are built for reliability when it matters most. Don't wait for an emergency to realize the value of a good fire starter. Get prepared today.